everyone, welcome to Arpita Sharma classes. Today we are going to study a really important article that was featured in the Hindu newspaper on 29th of November 2021. तो ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट आर्टिकल है, पेज नंबर 2 पर ये हिंदू न्यूज़पेपर में फीचर हुआ था. We are going to study it. We cannot just avoid or ignore articles which are published on page number 2, the city page in the Hindu newspaper. Delhi edition we are covering, okay? So the article says child begging is a big worry in India. It still remains a big worry in India. Now we all know that in the Delhi, in many traffic lights, not just in Delhi, in many cities, many states, on traffic lights we see child beggars, right? And that still is continuing. Many families, they force their children to beg on the streets to earn for their family by begging. And begging is not just violative, it is offensive also for the rights of those children. And there are many activists that say that families force children into begging and the situation has worsened after pandemic. But the question is that what we are doing to fight this menace and how we can improve the situation. Right? So the class PDF will be uploaded on a Telegram channel. Let's get started about this article in the Hindu newspaper. Now, the ministry in India, the Ministry of Women and Child Development, they have implemented a centrally sponsored scheme, that is the CPS scheme, Child Protection Services Scheme. And it is under Integrated Child Development Service Scheme, ICDS के अंडर ये CPS scheme launch की है Ministry of Women and Child Development ने, to support the children in difficult circumstances, including child beggars and destitute children. And also we have the Juvenile Justice Act 2015, JJ Act, जो कि चिल्ड्रन के लिए लॉ बनाती है, बच्चों के लिए लॉ बनाती है कंट्री में, ठीक है. So this also is important from the preliminary point of view. Now as per section 2 subsection 14 clause 2 of the JJ Act 2015, this is important for prelims, okay? A child who is found working in contravention of labor laws, that is a child who is working, who has been found working opposite of what the labor law says, for the time being in force or is found begging, या तो लेबर लॉज के अगेंस्ट वो काम कर रहा है या फिर मतलब जो लेबर लॉज हैं उसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए बनाए गए हैं उसके अगेंस्ट उससे काम करवाया जा रहा है या वो भीख मांगता हुआ देखा जाता है, और लिविंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट इज इंक्लूडेड एज अ चाइल्ड इन नीड ऑफ केयर एंड प्रोटेक्शन. सो इफ यू सी अ चाइल्ड लिविंग ऑन द स्ट्रीट और begging, please do not just avoid it, do not just turn your faces, do not just start giving him the money. Try to report that incident or case under the Ministry of Women and Child Development so that they can take care of that child. And as per section 76 of JJ Act, whoever employs or uses any child for purpose of begging or causes any child to beg shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 5 years, shall also be liable to fine of 1 lakh rupees. और अगर कोई पाया जाता है जो चाइल्ड बेगर्स को एम्प्लॉय कर रहा है, चाइल्ड बेगिंग करवा रहा है, तो वो पनिशेबल क्राइम है, 5 साल की सजा और 1 लाख का फाइन देना पड़ता है उन्हें. The Act provides a security net of service delivery structures along with measures for institutional and non-institutional rehabilitation and care of the children who are found in these kind of destitute situations. Okay, और states और union territories are responsible for executing the act. इस act को execute करने की जिम्मेदारी state और union territories की होती है. So you should be aware of all this. Why you are preparing for UPSC? Why you are studying all these things if you are not implementing them on field, right? तो जब भी अगर आपको ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट दिखता है तो try to report that incident so that the enough care can be provided to the children and justice can be provided to that particular family or that particular children. Another important point is that the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment also has undertaken a pilot project. For what? For rehabilitation of persons engaged in the act of begging in 10 cities. These 10 cities are Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Lucknow, Patna, Nagpur and Indore. ठीक है, ताकि काउंसिल किया जा सके, रिहैबिलिटेट किया जा सके, स्किल डेवलपमेंट डाली जा सके बेगर्स में, प्लस उन्हें एजुकेट किया जा सके. ओके. Unacademy is launching new batches from 1st of December and these batches will be targeting 2022 and 2023 aspirants. On Unacademy Plus, we are providing huge discounts. If you now take a subscription of combo, that is GS plus optional subscription, you will be getting 25% discount with optional subscription and 10% discount if you use code ARPITA10. अगर आप ये कोड यूज करते हो ARPITA10 तो आपको 10% का डिस्काउंट मिलेगा आपके सब्सक्रिप्शन पे and flat 2500 is already subtracted from the amount of subscription. This offer is valid only till 30th November 2021. That is only till today. We are also providing a 3 months free extension on 1 year and above plus GSN plus combo subscription. So what are you waiting for? To be a part of this amazing offer which is till today only, subscribe now. The links are given below in the description box. Now what kind of question they can ask you in mains paper 2? Paper 2 में आपसे किस तरीके का question पूछा जा सकता है? Question can be, what are the various legislations aimed at protecting child beggars in India? Discuss their efficacy in prevention of child begging as well as abuse. So the first important measure that we studied was JJ Act 2015, that is Juvenile Justice, Care and Protection of Children Act 2015. Now here in this act, now JJ Act 2015, it says it's first of all the primary law for children in the country, and here we will mention section 2 subsection 14 and also section 76, wherein if a person is employing the children to beg, in that case it shall be punishable for 5 years and a fine of rupees 1 lakh will have to be paid by him. And section 2 subsection 14 says child being in force or is found begging, living on street, is considered as child in need of care and protection. Now this act provides a security net for the children. Okay, it will provide institutional care for the children who are in distress situations, and the states and union territories are responsible to execute this act. Second, we have Child Protection Services. It supports the children in difficult circumstances, including child beggars and the destitute children. Okay, इस scheme के through क्या दिया जाएगा? Under the scheme, CCIs will be given. What is CCI? It is Child Care Institution. CCI होता है आपका Child Care Institution, which is a rehabilitative measure. Okay, and the scheme supports 24/7 emergency outreach and helpline service for children who are in distress situation. Then we have rehabilitation measures like comprehensive rehabilitation of persons engaged in begging. I told you about the 10 cities where these measures are being taken care of. Okay, it includes education of children also. As we all know, you can begin your answer with writing that children of today. This can be used as an introduction or conclusion also. Children of today are the assets of tomorrow. आज के जो बच्चे हैं हमारे, वो फ्यूचर के हमारे assets हैं, ठीक है, जो हमारे नेशन को आगे लेकर जाएंगे. But yet education, which is a fundamental right to every child in the country, is still a dream for many children in India, especially those children who are from downtrodden background, right? So this is the irony. So you can write structure your answer like this. So this was your article about child begging, a big worry in India. ये था आपका आज का article, ठीक है. I hope you enjoyed this article. I hope this article was informative for all of you. On this note, we are wrapping up the session. Thank you and have a beautiful day ahead.